Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 2 of 9B class. Want to tell you how to make tape ketan.
Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Safira Nindi Putri, number 32.
My name is Azaria Zara Artemisia, number 15.
My name is Adi Maulana, number 3.
And Muhammad Faranino ARC, number 26.
So, let's get started.
Wash the glutinous rice with water until clean.
Add green food coloring until the water becomes dark green, so that the green color of the glutinous rice after it is soaked doesn't pale.
Then soak the glutinous rice overnight in coloring water.
After soaking overnight, add the pandan leaves to the heated steamer.
Add the soaked glutinous rice, then steam until half cooked.
Once half cooked, transfer the sticky rice to another container and cover with enough hot water. Don't make it too soft.
Then, steam again until perfectly cooked.
Prepare a white tray and line it with banana leaves and cool the sticky rice.
Press the yeast until smooth.
Then, sprinkle the yeast into the cool sticky rice until evenly mixed using a sieve.
Stir in the sticky rice that has been given yeast.
After that, add enough sugar, then stir.
Wrap the sticky rice that has been given yeast and sugar in banana leaves for the fermentation process. Then, store in airtight place and wait for 3 days.
After 3 days, the sticky rice tape is ready to be served.
That was our video.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.